Welcome to Storyboard. I'm Anuradha Sengupta. IPL Season 3 is just 6 weeks away and everybody seems to be gearing up for cricket's most lucrative event. The teams have fresh players, broadcaster Set Max has all its sponsors and up to 85% of its inventory, we believe, sold out. And Google has just joined the party. This year, all IPL matches will be available on YouTube. Shweta Shriram reports on how all this will work.
He likes it. Well, stalling just a touch.
This year, IPL matches that start on March 12th will be streamed live on YouTube.
Oh, good stroke.
Making it the first premium big-ticket sports property in India to go beyond television. Google has the exclusive rights to IPL content for 2 years and will add archival footage from previous seasons and special content including interviews and ceremonies online. IPL and Google will share all ad revenues generated by YouTube and IPLT20.com. Google is talking to potential advertisers both in India and abroad.
In India in particular, we're looking for 10 sponsors, and we're trying to keep it select to align with the uniqueness and the first-of-its-kind nature of what we're doing together here. And we think that if we can take 10 sponsors and give them just an unbelievable experience, it has long-term implications for creating value for sponsors in the long run. This is not about trying to maximize the revenue opportunity. This is about showing and demonstrating value.
For us, it's very exciting because as a sports rights owner and development of content and as a sports administrator, our job is to make sure that our product is available to the widest possible audience in the world. And the partnership with Google and YouTube helps us to deliver that. And you know, it's an expensive proposition to get there and get it going. And it's always been, for every organization, a big problem to try and get that done.
According to Google, there are at least 10 million unique YouTube users in India, and the company expects it to grow substantially thanks to the IPL. Some advertisers say they will consider investing on YouTube over and above what they've committed to TV sponsorship. Broadcaster Set Max believes losing eyeballs and fans to YouTube is not something it needs to worry about, at least for now.
For us, it's a different medium altogether. So, you know, in India, the challenges would still be the bandwidth is not that high to, you know, in India still take time for it to do. But like I said, you know, India is a big country. You know, there's enough room for everybody to play within. You know, so these things only complement us. You know, they really don't compete with us. You know, internet's a very strong medium, will continue to grow. It doesn't really eat into the television advertising dollar or viewership.
So it's all fine to say YouTube, but real-time thing downloading in most homes in India is not there. The facility is not there. So I personally feel, like I said, you know, for each of these medium, they are very, very small pockets. They are more imaging. They are more done from a point of view, from a hipness quotient point of view. I am there. I am on this. There is a certain kind of profile, cutting-edge audience who's there.
Also vying for IPL eyeballs this year will be movie theatres. Matches will be screened at over 1,000 screens across the country. But the broadcaster says this too is not a threat. Set Max has Vodafone and Videocon as presenting sponsors, and LG, Samsung, Hyundai, HUL, Godrej, Pepsi and Tata Photon as associate sponsors. Other advertisers include Coca-Cola, ITC and Bisleri. But while ad rates jumped by almost 100% in the second season, this year the rise is marginal. Ad spots have sold at around 4.5 lakh rupees per 10 seconds and the going rate now is 5 lakh rupees per 10 seconds. This is despite the ratings dip from season 1 to season 2.
If you look at season 2, despite its drop in ratings, there was a growth of 20% in absolute viewership terms. Season 2 was able to touch 123 million people in cable and satellites home. So that is the biggest. It reached about 80% of the total male population. Now, there's nothing in television which even comes close to this. And hence, the brands are willing to pay a premium. I think the other reason has been very clearly for us is that if you compare season 1 to season 2 to season 3, most of the advertisers have come back each season.
The dramatic increase in rate which happened last year was primarily because, if I may say so, based on the performance, it was undersold by the broadcaster well in advance. So therefore, people saw 80 to 100% increase in rates in IPL 2. I think IPL 3 people expect it to be closer to IPL 2, while the ratings may be similar, maybe less. But the fact is that number of audiences are going, and finally a lot of mature advertisers buy eyeballs. They're not buying ratings.
While brands make a beeline for on-air presence, ground activation will reach new highs this year. An opportunity that was missed in the first year because of a small lead time and the change of venue to South Africa in the second year.
Last year, we missed lifting.
The BCCI and Setmax are expected to launch big marketing campaigns next week. Setmax has already started airing promos, building on the fact that the IPL is back in India. Team owners can also be expected to finalize marketing plans now that their teams are in place.
We missed you too.